Hello everybody, Tim from Tim's Cards and Comics back with another video, and I have another 2020 Topps Gypsy Queen product here for you. This is the value pack with 3 Gypsy Queen packs plus an exclusive green parallel pack. 5 cards in it. Alright, we opened our blaster box last time and wasn't too thrilling, but let's see what we get out of this one. If there's anything any better. Not, we'll call customer service. No, I won't. There's some odds on this one. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see what this says right here. It says, this pack contains 23 cards, 3 6-card Gypsy Queen baseball packs, plus 1 bonus pack of 5 exclusive green parallel cards. Alright, so that must be a pack of cards, right? Thought they looked loose there for a second. Oh, what do I know? Alright, let's get these things open. Could just be another. Oh, I see why they look loose, because it's a different type of pack. Oh, with you know who in it. Oh no, yes, it is him. And let's see this real quick. Oh, yep, there it is. It's a clear cellophane pack, rather than a regular pack like it was in the blaster. So, and these are just like they are. Okay, here we go. I threw that thing over that way. I don't know. Yeah, that looks like a big. All right, never mind. Just know that this is a value pack. 23 cards. How much of a value that is. Oh, let's get on with it. Alright, here is Seth Brown rookie card. Ryan Braun. Cattell Marte. Another Trevor Story. Tarot of the Diamond. It's the one we got in our other box. In our box, I mean. If I didn't pause that. Miles Mikolas and Williams Stublio. Alright, well, interesting, we got the same insert. See if we get something a little better than this one. Here is Alex Colomb. Jorge Alfaro, or George Alfaro, depending on where you live at. Matt Olson, George Polanco, or Jorge Polanco, whatever. And who's this? Carlos Correa and Rafael Devers. Alright. There you go. One more regular pack. Here it goes. Williams. Who's this? Nick Williams. Jalen Davis rookie card. Albert Pujols. Oh, here's an insert, I think. Ooh. What? Ooh. The missing nameplate. We didn't know who he was in the first place, but now he don't have no name. Poor guy. Ryan O'Hearn, he lost his name. So we got the missing nameplate variation. Interesting. P. Lambert. Oh, Peter Lambert. And there he is, Mike Trout. Alright. Good card there. Alright. So our 2 inserts is this missing nameplate of, I forgot what his name was, Ryan O'Hearn, and this Trevor Story Thunder. Tarot of the Diamond. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's see what our green parallels are. As you can see on front, we have, I can't read that name, Santer. I don't know. Let's get it open. Of course, on the back we have you know who. Security! Oh yeah, when I run this, I opened the self-checkout, it made a big noise and said, oh, hey, what was that? It was the security thing being deactivated. Stay there and guard something. Alright, here we go. Who's this guy? Anthony Santander. Something like that. Ozzy Albies. Dario Agrazal. Rookie, Detroit. Christian Walker. And Brandon Dixon, Detroit. A couple of Tigers, how about that? Well, if you think I'm going to try and collect the whole green set of Tigers, you got another thing coming. Alright, thanks for watching. That's all we have for you today. We hope you'll like and subscribe, and we will see you again next time. So long for now.